Now, some positive news from Toll Brothers giving a boost to home builder stocks today. There are, though, conflicting signs about the recovery, including the fact that prices are not only falling, but falling at an accelerated rate. Michelle McCory in New York has those numbers. Michelle.
Well, Paul, maybe that's why Paul Krugman decided to go out and buy his apartment today. Very luxurious washer and a dryer. But we are getting some very mixed data in the housing market. And that's right, home prices are continuing to fall. In fact, those price declines accelerated in the second quarter, falling by a record of 15.6% from a year earlier. And foreclosure sales are weighing on prices. The median price of a single-family home dropped 16% to $174,000. And that is according to the National Association of Realtors. Prices fell in most 129 out of 155 metropolitan areas from a year ago. And that's happening even as mortgage rates remain near all-time lows. Now, even though prices are still heading down, some analysts say that sales are beginning to stabilize. And what's interesting is that we saw home builders rallying big today. That was after luxury home builder Toll Brothers reported third-quarter sales that fell less than analysts expected, and its cancellation rate also dropped to the lowest level in 3 years. Shares of Toll Brothers up 14% today, and the entire home builders index up almost 5% today. But what's interesting, Paul, is that mortgage applications fell last week. They're down about 3.5% compared with previous week, reflecting a drop in demand as interest rates have been edging up. Now, they're still very low, but they are hedging up. The 30-year fixed now at about 5.4%. It's the highest since June. Still affordable, but significantly above that all-time low we saw back in March of 4.6%. So all in all, Paul, a rather murky picture re the housing data. And, Paul, what many economists warn, including Paul Krugman, is that we can't officially say the recession is over until the housing market is stable. Paul?
OK, Michelle, thank you very much for that. Michelle McCory there in New York.